What can cause my vape pen to become clogged?
Hello, vaping enthusiasts. Today we're going to demystify a common problem that many vapers experience: a clogged vape pen. Knowing why and how your vape pen can become clogged is crucial not just for an uninterrupted vaping experience, but also to ensure the longevity of your device.
What causes a clog in your vape pen?
Clogs in vape pens can happen due to a number of reasons. Condensation. The most common culprit is condensation. As you vape, there's often a small amount of e-liquid that doesn't get vaporized and remains in liquid form. This condensation can accumulate over time and lead to clogs. High VGE liquids. The use of high vegetable glycerin, VGE liquids, can also contribute to a clog. VG is much thicker than propylene glycol, PG, so high VGE liquids can create residue that may eventually result in a clog. Infrequent cleaning. Regular maintenance of your vape pen, especially if you're a frequent user, is essential. An infrequently cleaned pen can lead to the buildup of residue. Temperature changes. Extreme temperature changes can also cause your vape pen to clog. Cold weather, in particular, can thicken your e-liquid, making it harder for your device to vaporize it fully.
How to prevent clogging in your vape pen?
Prevention is always better than a cure. Here are some tips to prevent clogs. Regular cleaning. Make it a habit to clean your vape pen regularly. A simple rinse and dry will go a long way in maintaining your device. Appropriate storage. Store your vape pen in a cool and dry place. Avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures to prevent the thickening of e-liquid. Right e-liquid. If possible, use an e-liquid with a balanced PG/VG ratio. PG is thinner than VG and less likely to cause a buildup of residue. Clogs in your vape pen can be a nuisance, but with regular maintenance and careful use, you can minimize this problem. Remember, vaping is an experience, and taking care of your device is part of that experience. Keep these points in mind and ensure your clouds remain clear and enjoyable. Happy vaping!